Good morning, students. I am your computer teacher JP Gupta sir from Green Valley English School. So, students, in the previous video, as I had started your chapter iterative statements, and now today I will continue the same chapters, and we shall try to know about the some more different type of the repetitive statement. First of all, while loop statement, students. So student, while loop, this while loop keep on executing the block of statements as long as the specified test condition evaluate to true students. So any while loop has the main four component. First is initialization. This statement assign an initial value to the control variables, students. Second is conditions. This statement check whether the loop body will further executed or not. Third is loop body, students. So this statements contain the set of the statement which we want to be repeated again and again. Fourth statement is step value. This statement keep the updating the loop control variable so that a final value is achieved and loop terminates. So student, syntax for the while loop is, first of all we give the initialization value. After that, in the new line we give the while and conditions and colon sign, students. Then we type the loop body and then we updation. So there are main four components in while loop statement, students. For example, students, here is one program which is right to print the first 10 natural numbers. So I equal to 0, then while I is smaller than equal to 10 colon sign, then after that print I, and then I equal to I plus 1, student. So as you can see that the first step is that initialize the variable I to 0. Check the condition whether I is smaller or equal to 10. Third step is that if I is smaller or equal to 10, then it will print the value of I, students. Step 4, increment the value of I by 1, that is I equal to I plus 1. So step 5 is, student, the process will continue till the value of I is less than or equal to 10. The loop will terminate once the value of I becomes greater than 10, students. So thank you for watching my video. So student, next heading is infinite loop. This loop is also known as endlessly loop. This is a sequence of the instruction in a computer program which loop endlessly. It happens either due to the loop having no terminating conditions or having the condition that can never be met. So student, let us try to understand it with the help of following example. For examples, here you can see that here is one program displaying the endless loop. For example, I equal to 10 while I is greater than or equal to 1 colon sign, print I plus equal to 1, student. So in this given example, as per the condition, the loop will continue until the value of I is greater than or equal to 1. In this updation path, we are incrementing the value of I by 1 at every step, and hence the loop will I will always be greater than 1. This means that is no time will loop variable be less than 1, student, and hence the loop body will execute infinitely. So students, Thank you for watching my video.